That is called whiskey throttle.
Oh.
Remember,
I'm used to
remember if you get in trouble,
huh?
if you get in trouble, remember, release, let go of your clutch.
Okay.
Remember that, alright? What didn't you do?
Huh?
What didn't you do?
I don't know.
You didn't put the clutch in, did you?
No. I was using that, I've been using that brake.
Yeah, if you want.
And then just, yeah.
And remember, you were doing so good. If you get in trouble, pull that in.
It's because of that, yeah, I will.
Practice, keep that in all the time unless you want to actually.
It's alright, I know.
No, it shouldn't happen again.
Alright, I'll try.
Just,
I'm just going to go heat slow.
yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah. What I'm doing is freaking out and I'm accelerating.
Yeah, don't.
See that?
That's whiskey throttle.
Yeah.
Because when you go like that and once you go back, you automatically, and then it's hard to release.
Doing, yeah.
But when you like that,
fuck, I bent that.
but when you like that, just pull that clutch in and it'll stop shooting you forward.
And use the other brakes as well?
Yeah, to stop yourself, yeah.
It's freaking
Same
me out.
thing again.
Huh?
Same thing, you've done the same thing again.
I know. I'm freaked out because of the, like all the bumps and the freaking me out. I think it's too soon for me to be doing this.